Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino, August 21st. We are Path Trading Partners. I'm here with my co-founder Mike Arnold, and this is a Path Chat educational update on Bitcoin Cash. Not Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash. Mike, would you like to please tell them what you are seeing on the charts? This is Price Action Analysis by Mike Arnold. Take it away.
Okay, thank you very much, Bob. So, great teaching lesson tonight. Bitcoin Cash US dollar talked about getting back above this downward sloping trend line for a re-entry on this pullback, getting back above the rotation zone, and you can see it did not work. We also closed below a very key level, the 50-period exponential moving average, a couple times. This was an exit for us. All right, we took a stop. They don't always work. So here's what you do. As traders, I'm not talking investors. If you're investing, holding for the long term, just like we're not exiting, of course, all our Bitcoin Cash position, we're also exiting part of our trade because these trades are shorter term and we don't want to hold them as they go against us. We want to reestablish them at other key levels. So this was a stop, and you see also how the rotation zone crossed, and now it's becoming resistance. We're finally trying to get back up above it. Let me switch to a longer term chart. We'll show you where we stand, and then I'll switch back to this chart and show you again what kind of entry we're looking for if we do re-enter. All right, here's our 4-hour chart. You can see we've also dropped below this key support. We got below the 37.5% GAN. Even now, we've dropped below the 50% GAN. Between the 50 and the 62.5 is a major GAN rotation zone. We also have the rising 50-period exponential moving average. So this is an area we are looking for entries. Okay, that's one key thing. You also see this black line was the prior high from the hard fork. It came down, dipped below that, retested that, and now it's pushing back up. We want to see it get back above these moving averages, and then we can go back to that 1-hour chart. We want it to see with a strong close above these moving averages on the 4-hour preferably, and then we will be raising our stop again because now this 37.5 level, the 713.25 is now some resistance. It's a prior breakdown zone. We have to see it really move back above it. We can take an entry if we get a key close. Again, you can either do it on the 4-hour or the 1-hour, but we do need it above this trend line. Let me switch back to the 1-hour. All right, so here we are in that 1-hour. Here's that new trend line. Let me take off the old trend line. Just wanted to leave it up there until we had this discussion. We wanted to get back above this trend line. We're going to be watching on the 4-hour. If you were looking at it on the 1-hour, we'd also like to get it above this 50-period exponential moving average on the 1-hour also. That's going to be key. Remember, you can get it back up here. We're going to be watching for a closing basis. You can always pull back for another re-entry to kiss the trend line goodbye. But these are very key areas. There is some resistance around the 670 mark, so we're going to be safe and look for something above 680 on the 1-hour or above those key 8 EMA on the 4-hour. That's what we have for you in this really good teaching lesson with what happens when a rotation doesn't work and you've gotten in and you're a trader. Again, this is directed towards traders, not investors. If you're just sitting there and buying and holding for the long term, that's your position. If you're trading in and out around a core position, this is the way we handle it. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Tell your friends. We appreciate you guys watching and helping our channel grow. We will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, everyone.